I've reached Napton. This is the Folly. It's a brilliant pub. You can even stay in its holiday cottages alongside. They have a live music venue called the Potting Shed in the grounds, where people bring their instruments and just play and sing together. It was such a good evening. A few days later, having time to recover, I left the South Oxford Canal and went onto a brand new piece of canal, the Grand Union Birmingham Arm. Adventures anew. Hello, Grand Union Canal. So let's see what adventures we're going to have on this bit of the system.